factor this polynomial, we're going to need to split apart our middle term into two terms. That way we can have four terms that we'll be able to group into two pairs that will help us find our correct answer. How should I split 8x? Well, I want to split it into two terms. One that can have a greatest common factor with 3x squared, and another that can have a greatest common factor with negative 3. So let's split 8x into 9x and a minus 1x, because 9 minus 1 would still give us 8x in the end, so this is equivalent to 8x. And now we can go ahead and group those. We'll have 3x squared plus 9x plus, or excuse me, minus 1x minus 3. So now we need to factor out the greatest common factor from each of these pairs. Here we'll need to factor out a 3 and an x. That will leave us with just 1x plus 9 divided by 3 would give us 3. Then over here we would need to factor out a negative 1. So we'd have negative 1 times what's left over is x, and then a positive 3 instead of a negative 3. So now that we have factored both of these out, we can see that we have identical multiples here, so we can rewrite this to be 3x minus 1 times that identical multiple, which is x plus 3. And this is the factored form of our trinomial up here, and that matches our last answer choice. If you would like to double check this, you can go ahead and factor this out using the FOIL method. If I multiply my front terms, the f in FOIL, I would get 3x squared. Then if I wanted to do my outer terms, I would have plus 9x. Then our inner terms, minus 1x, and our last terms, minus 3. When I combine these like terms, I will be left with plus 8x minus 3, and that matches the trinomial we started with. So this is the correct answer.